I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, so this motor, 350 Chevrolet out of a Winnebago. So it's probably got a truck cam in or whatever. This side's okay. Like the lash on everything feels pretty good. I'm tearing this apart to do a top end build. I want to look at the bottom end, make sure all of it's good. I don't know. I'll know in a second, I guess. Let's see. There's 1, 2. May either have a couple bent push rods or collapsed lifters. One, probably bent push rod, but I'll know when I pull them off. I'm fixing to pull the intake off and get all these out. Not reusing any of this, so going with a decent little cam and everything in it, nothing too crazy. Set that back up right there. Yeah, let's see. This motor supposedly only has 20,000 miles on it. Valley looks really good. Like I said, it come out of a Winnebago. But yeah, that's a good looking Valley right there. See. So that's what I'm working with. He doesn't want to go down in and do the bottom end too. So I probably can clean this up. It is a fairly clean motor. It's just been sitting. This one's only iffy one. It's got some rust and stuff in it. Like just a little bit of surface rust. Yep. So that's that.